Easy Forex Builder is a powerful tool designed to simplify the process of creating, testing, and refining trading strategies for the Forex market. Its user-friendly interface allows both beginners and experienced traders to build complex trading algorithms without needing to write a single line of code. You can select from a vast library of technical indicators, define your entry and exit rules, and even incorporate money management strategies. Once built, your strategy can be back-tested against historical data, allowing for rapid iteration and optimization. With its intuitive design and comprehensive features, Easy Forex Builder demystifies algorithmic trading, putting the power of sophisticated Forex strategies into the hands of traders at all levels of experience. Turn your trading ideas into effective strategies with Easy Forex Builder.